Welcome to the course A Foundation for Machine Learning and Data Science section Anaconda, an overview and installation. In this section, we will see how to download and install Anaconda distribution. If you already have Anaconda installed, up and running, then you may skip this section. Anaconda distribution, an open source data science platform with a collection of over 7,500 open source packages that can be used in Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Anaconda Navigator, a graphical user interface application provided with Anaconda distribution that enables users to work with Conda packages and environments instead of command line interface. Anaconda distribution installation. Go to the link given below, anaconda.com/products/distribution. Scroll to the bottom, select a 64-bit graphical installer for Windows or Mac OS as appropriate. Click and download the installer package. Go to the download folder and double-click the downloaded file. Install the Anaconda distribution with the default and recommended settings. Launch the Anaconda Navigator. You are all set for the data science and machine learning journey. These were the steps I got at the time of recording this video. When you do it now, the steps may be a little different, as Anaconda keeps updating its software and the download options as well occasionally. The bottom line is, you need to install the 64-bit version and you are good to go. With this, I'll conclude this video and I'll see you in my next video, Jupyter Lab, an overview.